Who's your favorite pit master's favorite pit master? What's going on, Tremendous Q fans? It's your boy here, Wade Morris, owner of Pitmaster Tremendous Q, and I'm back with video number 2 in our BBQ Basics Bootcamp series. All right, now thank everybody for stopping by. All right, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and cut on those notifications so you can get notified when I drop all my latest content. For all my returning subscribers, you know I appreciate you guys' support. For everybody, go ahead and like the video, okay? Give it the thumbs up. It lets YouTube know and the algorithm know that we're doing good here on the channel. So, second video in the series, BBQ Basics Bootcamp. What are we talking about today? We're talking about charcoal, okay? I want to talk to you guys about the 2 different types of charcoal that we see very common out on the market. You got briquettes and you got lump charcoal. The difference between the lump charcoal and the charcoal briquette. A charcoal briquette is going to be sawdust with limestone and cornstarch as binding agents, and your lump charcoal is just carbonized premium hardwoods. With lump charcoal, you're gonna have very uneven shapes of charcoal versus the briquettes. All of the briquettes generally come in this oval kind of rounded form inside of the bag. Generally speaking, your lump charcoal is going to produce less ash than your charcoal briquettes, because this is simply your lump charcoal is pretty much just carbon, and your charcoal briquettes has some other additives, the limestone and the cornstarch, which help generate that extra ash. So carbon in its organic form, this is one of the most common elements in the entire universe. Okay, now carbon is found in everything from diamonds to graphite. In diamonds, carbon is in its hardest form, okay? And diamonds can be used for things like cutting and drilling. And then carbon in graphite is what it's in a soft form, and that's what you're gonna find in things like pencils in order to write on paper. And then in its medium form, you have charcoal, and the uses for charcoal are also very wide varying. It's used from everything from removing toxins, taste, and odors from things that you eat. On top of being versatile, carbon is actually safe to ingest in forms like graphite and charcoal. And in charcoal, that's where you'll see things like steaks being cooked directly on top of the charcoal. You can put your charcoal right inside, and then you place your steak right on top. So safe to ingest. Obviously you don't want to eat it, it's not a snack, but it is safe to ingest in small quantities. Your lump charcoal is going to be more common for your ceramic grills, where your briquette charcoal is going to be more common for your kettle cookers. Okay, now both of these you can use interchangeably. You can put briquettes in your charcoal grill, you can put briquettes in your ceramic grills, and you can put lump charcoal in your kettle grills, but generally speaking, you're going to see your briquettes more commonly used in your kettles and your lump charcoal more commonly used in your ceramic grills. A ceramic grill is your Big Green Egg, your Grilla Grills Kong, those types of ceramic cookers. Real quick on the history of charcoal, around 1920, Edward G. Kingsford, real estate agent, got into business with Henry Ford, a car mogul. Ford wanted to basically have an in-house source of wood to help build his cars. So around 1920, he bought a large plot of land in order to cut down the trees for timber for the vehicles. With all those cars that he was making, he did end up having a lot of excess waste, a lot of wood waste left over. So he decided to figure out a way to capitalize or make a profit on that waste instead of throwing it away. So what did he do? He got with a university professor who had created this new technique in order to bond sawdust using starch, and the charcoal briquette was born. Now, what Henry Ford decided to do as far as the marketing goes was create the picnic kits. And the whole idea was you would get in the car, drive to a park, drive to a nice outdoor beach, and you would be able to have a nice hot meal using his invention, his creation, the charcoal briquette. Okay, so that's the history of charcoal. Let's talk about some more differences between the charcoal briquettes and the lump charcoal. Now with lump charcoals, you're gonna have the hardwood as well, and with the briquette, it's going to be the sawdust, but in both, you're actually gonna have the premium hardwoods used in order to create both types of charcoal. In the briquettes, another common source of the charcoal briquette is going to be coconut shells. It's carbonized coconut shells, and that's actually what these particular briquettes are. Something else that Kingsford offers are flavor boosters. This is cumin chili, and this is basil sage thyme, all right? A flavor booster is not just charcoal. It's not as simple as charcoal, okay? With this, you actually still need charcoal in order to cook. Your flavor booster is gonna look a lot like your charcoal briquette, all right? Very similar form factor. You have that square oval shape, except with your flavor booster, this is gonna be added on top of your charcoals once you get the charcoals lit inside of the grill, okay? So you get the charcoals inside the grill, you'll add your flavor boosters on top of your charcoal once your charcoals ash over, and then you're gonna be ready to add or enhance the flavor of whatever it is you're cooking with whatever flavor booster you're using from Kingsford, all right? Here's a fun fact highlighting the difference between the charcoal briquette and the lump charcoal. Because your charcoal briquette is going to be compressed sawdust and it has that bonding agent like cornstarch and limestone, if you are allergic to either one of those two substances, or you get sick after cooking with charcoal, but you can't figure out why. You don't get sick after cooking with a gas grill, you don't get sick after cooking with an electric grill, try cooking with lump charcoal. This doesn't have any additives, and it's very likely that it's the limestone, the cornstarch, or the bonding agents, whatever other bonding agents are present in the charcoal briquette that might be making you sick, okay? Give that a try and let me know down in the comments below if it worked. So there we have it, all right? We talked today about charcoal. We talked about lump charcoal. We talked about charcoal briquettes. We talked a little bit about the history about it, all right? If you like this video, if you like this content, if you like the Barbecue Basics Bootcamp, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and go ahead and give it a thumbs up, all right? Let YouTube know, let the algorithm know that you like this content. And of course, I appreciate getting notified as well, all right? I appreciate you guys stopping by. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see here on the channel, any other content in the Barbecue Basics, and I will make sure that I get it put on the channel, put on this series, all right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.